Hi guys, good evening. Just doing a quick review on the CB350 Highness from Honda. So yes, based on some requests what I've got from some of my subscribers, they wanted to understand what are the features and options available within the speedometer console of a deluxe version. So all of us, I'm sure we have seen the DLX Pro version with respect to what are the features available in the speedometer console. So let's quickly go over what's available in this. So guys, turning the ignition on. So here you see the traction control indicator, neutral and ABS. ABS and traction control lights would go off once you get moving, and as you turn on the ignition you see the other lights which come on, the engine check and um, other lights. So I think that's the engine check process what's happening here. So in this speedometer console, as you see, it's a very simply laid out console which just has your analog speedometer and the digital console. So the digital console as of now is just showing us the total kilometers logged, which is 115. It shows the fuel bars, time and the gear position indicator. So you see two buttons here on the left and right. So the button on the top is the toggle key, as this model doesn't have any toggle keys here, so you need to operate with this. So if I do this, it's going to go to the trip A, then trip B, and then the real-time mileage indicator, which is going to function only when the bike is running. This is the average mileage of my trip A kilometers logged, and total tank range, battery voltage. Yeah, that's the function of the button which is on the top here. And yes guys, there is an option to turn off traction control as well. To do that, please use the button which is in the bottom and do a long press. So you see another light which comes on here, that indicates that the traction control is turned off. And guys, that remains on even while you're riding, to indicate that that feature is disabled at this point in time. So get it back, do a long press again, and you get back your traction control. So guys, within the speedometer console, yes, just like the DLX Pro version, you do have the C-type charger port here, so it's available. So you will need to get a C-type to C-type charger cable or the connector in order to be able to charge your mobile. So yeah, that's a little bit about the speedometer console of Honda Highness CB350 guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the day.